how to categorize or how to classify transactions in QuickBooks Online. If this is the first time you're watching this video, or if this is the first time you're ever seeing this banking dashboard in QuickBooks Online because you haven't previously used it and you're wondering, oh my God, what do I have to do now? This video is for you because you're gonna love it. So we have already connected our banking accounts for this exercise. So you can see checking, savings, and MasterCard, they're already there. And when we connected them, there were 25 transactions for this particular one. Now, those 25 transactions right here in orange, you can also see them right here in gray for review 25. So this tab has 25 transactions that, pay attention, QuickBooks does not know that those transactions have happened. As far as QuickBooks Online is concerned, they don't exist. Think about those transactions as they are sitting in a waiting room, and you have to go and let them through the door, through the QuickBooks Online door. It's the same as going to your doctor's office and waiting in the waiting room until they come and they invite you in so they can find about all your problems. Now, let's take one example to see what happens. So do you see this $55 here that occurred on June 8th? If you search for it in the search bar at the top for $55, there is something from March, but there isn't this particular transaction is not in there. This is a different one. So to let this transaction through the QuickBooks door, we have to put it in. So it's some type of income that we received it. So I'm going to put it in sales of product, and I say, okay, QuickBooks, I'm going to send these transactions through the doors, and I put it in my account. Now, if I go again to the search bar and I look for $55, look at this. Now, QuickBooks knows about it because I told QuickBooks that this was a sale-related transaction, and they categorized it as a deposit. Now, let's recap. The transactions that are sitting in the, I don't know what they did, in the review tab are not yet in QuickBooks. If you run a report, these transactions will not be there. You need to classify each one of them, and there are several ways to do it, which we're not going to cover here, but you need to classify those transactions to let them in. Once you categorize them or classify them, they're going in this tab. If you have a transaction that you do not want in there, you just say excluded. But see, this is a transaction that I told QuickBooks to put it in sales of product income. If you liked this video and would like more tips and tricks for QuickBooks Online, please subscribe or send me an email with something that you would like me to cover, and I will post it on our blog, or I'll send you an email with it. Subscribe for more.